Hey guys, this is me Harsh, and this is the episode number 33. Right now, you'll be seeing that this vlog is right now getting started at the night because it's around 11:57, and the date is 14. So just few hours ago, I shooted. Shooted, edited, and also uploaded the episode number 32, and just few hours back I'm right now starting the episode number 13. There's basically the episode number 32 didn't went well. What I mean is, I wasn't able to do Q&A, neither any specific my views, or I didn't share any content on that. Whatever I shared, it was like my it was a complete different talk on episode number 32. So if you haven't watched, first go and watch the episode number 32 and then watch this, because you will get a context about what I'm talking about. So basically right now I am alright. So as you can see here, I was just working on my ideas list, which is on my reels. So I've also started another content model, which is what would I do series, because I think so this will be like a very good content which I could create on. Because the first thing is like, what would I do if I was working with healthcare industry? What would I do if I was working with a beauty brand? What would I do if I was working with a fashion brand? So there's a lot of I can I can create a content at scale. And another thing is that I'm not saying like it doesn't contain that content doesn't contain you have to do this, you have to do this, like start with doing this. I just sharing my views on what would I do if I was in your place. So it's like a complete sharing my perspective on that, and I'm not acting like I'm an expert over there, and I think so that will be helpful too. So I'm putting myself into someone else's perspective on which I'm creating content for. And the third is basically Q&A, and that board is empty because today any Q&A didn't happen, unfortunately. And there was a reel which is like 4 to 5 ideas for reels too. So I thought to, if I have time, let's maximize it, and just I'll record whatever the content I have to record today and whatever I have to speak. Because first of all, I'm in a good mood because I've got get space as well as time. So I'll record it and I'll edit it tomorrow, because tomorrow unfortunately I have to wake up at 6. I usually wake up at 6:30 to 6:45, but tomorrow, I mean today is 12, so tomorrow I have to wake up at 6. So hard day. Anyways, we'll record it, and I think so I shouldn't add a b-roll, but I'll just, if you want, I'll just record it from the phone, and I'll figure out if I want to put all those reels into this vlogs, because it doesn't feel good when I'm right now putting another resolution of a reel into this resolution video. So let's see how it goes. So guys, it literally took me around just 5 to 7 minutes to record 4 reel videos. Yeah, there was a lot of retakes too, but right now I can't even believe that I've just make this much amount of content, which is like 4 reels in just under 7 minutes. So it's like a good thing, right? The only thing what we do is like, we care about how the idea is, we care about the camera, we care about the lighting. It doesn't work. So like, I just I recorded it into like a vertical. I didn't even record it into this kind of form. I just recorded into a vertical form, and I'll just add heading and like render and export. I mean render and upload. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't think so today I'll be able to make it. I'll surely gonna do that tomorrow. But the real part is done, and the second part which I have spoke to you is, or I will also, I'm right now coming up with a content model, which is what would I do. So this is like I've right now written into my board, which is what would I do if I was working with healthcare industry. Let's get started. What would I do if I was working with a healthcare consultancy? What would I do means, in terms of marketing, how would I market them? So basically the first thing and the most priority thing, or the most important thing I can say in today's world, is I will focus on making a specific content to the audience, which will first of all bring them value, nothing in return. Right? First you have to think about your customer. I'll create a specific content about the challenges of the customers face, because if you're a healthcare company, you obviously know it. And the second thing is, I will usually, whatever the amount is left, I'll run ads on the amount. I will run ads on the content to the specific, very specific audience on LinkedIn and Facebook, because I think so this are complete my views. I'm not saying that this is fact or have proved it. This is complete my views. This is what would I do. So think from that perspective. So LinkedIn and Facebook, I will advertise on LinkedIn and Facebook with whatever target audience. For example, if you're dental or whatever you are expert in, so I'll run ads. And the third thing is, I will do affiliate. Yes, because it's hard for you, because not everyone is like old people, not everyone is on, you wouldn't find a lot of them on Facebook. Yes, there are a lot of them, but you wouldn't able to like maximize, because they are 80 to 90-year-olds. Yes, which they, of course, like they are not majority of them, I don't know about, but like there are also people who don't use social media. Yes, old people. So what you could do is, you could tie up with the doctors, so that whenever they visit there, like any kind of, so if he is referring to you, he'll get a commission. So you have to figure that out. And because word of mouth works in healthcare industry, because if you are, for example, if I am a dental, for example, I am Dr. A, you came to me and you also have another problem. So I will say, for example, I am Dr. A, all right, you came to me, I cured you, and you also have another symptoms. So what would I do, in which I'm not expert in? So what would I do is, I will refer to you, I will refer to Dr. B. So he's like, he will pay me whatever the amount is. Like basically it's like a referral system which you can create, and for example, he'll pay me 20% or 10% on whatever they make the deal on. But this may work, and I think so this will work. So guys, this is what I would do if I was working with a healthcare consultancy to market online. I hope this helps you, and if it does, let me know in the comment section. So guys, done with the what would I do content model 2. I hope, like, I don't know how it's gonna I hope this does well, but always trying new things, and always right now I'm getting myself into execution mode, because I'm right now not focusing on consuming a lot of content. Not like the only person which I consume content is of Gary, but right now I'm putting myself into execution mode, and let's see how it goes. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's another day. I've already got late, so I won't waste time in introducing how my day starts, but let's go. Vlog update, guys. This is the another day, not that day which you saw me in the morning. This like the day, that day was like a morning, that was yesterday basically. And right now I'm recording today in the evening, because like how my day started was, I woke up at 6:15 and went, I had also shot some clips on to my work, got by 11 or 11, like 10:45, got fresh and just had my breakfast. And just half an hour later, then I got a call that I have to go for vaccination. So I went there, came, it was a huge line over there, so came around 3:30, had my lunch, and just 4 or 4:15 I went another time, that. So got back by 5, and till then, like, it was, then I was like feeling, when like if you have taken the vaccine, you'll get to know that it's like you'll get some type of body pain or fever type. That's what I got. And just today, right now, I'm feeling better than before. That's why I had to just end this vlog. I mean, record the outro, because it was actually like a good vlog, because I shot reels as well as a specific content model which I came up thinking that it will be like a specific and I can share my views on that topic. What I think so will work or give me more results is if I ran that video, that creative which I made onto the specific. For example, I have spoken about how to market healthcare consultancy services. If I ran ads on LinkedIn and Facebook regarding that, it will be like a good, I think so that will play very well. But right now I can't run ads. That's what I'm doing. The all, like I'm giving all at bat. I'm right now doing whatever I can, and that's why, always I'm trying to come up with the new things. And right now I'm not clicking enough, like I'm not clicking it, but trying to click it out. And also today, lost another client, which was like I said to you that I'll be resuming the website development project, and I just lost another client. So it's like it's not a good day, because what I thought of that if I complete that client project, I'll be like buying a new phone so that I could record vlog whenever I have to, like whenever I want, and that would be like a good. But unfortunately it didn't. And right now it's not sure that it is like have 100% loss. It was first 90% confirmed that I'm gonna do his, because we have started a little bit of work, and right now it was paused. But right now once again, like I'm not sure about that. And the one thing which I got to learn from this is you can't expect anything from anyone, because if you think, or if you went for a like a quick transaction, it's not gonna worth it. And if it worth, I mean it, if it passes, then it's good for you. But if it fails, your self-esteem will be broken. And that's what, like, just believe in working with a long-term process rather than short-term goals. And that's what I'm right now trying to do it, because this is the second time I've got hit, and I'm sharing with you so that you won't it will be helpful for you, because there will be like a quick failures, I mean small failures, big failures. But if you like it, you have to do it. So this is the thing. Just and right now I'll be editing this vlog, whatever I have. It's a lot of clips, and in editing also I'm right now trying to like update or upgrade my editing, updating my editing, whatever I do, add some music, transitions, effects. And although it will be like it takes a lot of time to render, but I'll try my best to do it. So that's it for today. I'll just right now only, after editing, I'll be planning some new content for tomorrow, because I have reels content which I recorded on that day, I mean this vlog only at that night. So I have content for reels, I have content for that what would I do series. I have content, but the only thing is that if you have to, like, if you want consistent micro pieces, your pillar content or the pillar block which is driving the small pieces shouldn't get affected, because once it stops here, then all the branches will be affected, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. And that's it for today. Hope you got some value. If yes, let me know in the comment section, and I really appreciate your time if you're watching this vlog. And thank you for watching, and see you in the episode number 34th.